For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share someone's Instagram story in your own story. So let's go to the Instagram app. So I'm gonna show you a story from a different profile and to my main profile. Now, this only works if the person who created the Instagram story tags you in that post. Otherwise, it's really against Instagram terms of service to download that Instagram story post and re-upload it to your profile. So, if they tag in that post, this is what happens. If you jump into your message, into your profile, you should see who mentioned you in your story message. And if I click it right there, it says that this profile mentioned you in your story. Then add it to your own story. Then it will go like this. And if I tap it, I could get different looks out of it. And now I could press your story and post it to my story. So this is the only way when someone else tag you in their story where you could post it on your own story. Otherwise, you just take it without permission. So I hope it helps you and see you on our next video. So don't forget to subscribe and like.